Hello friends, today I am going to do a maths video on the chapter Polynomials. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon so that whenever we are posting a new video, you are getting to know about that. So we will start. First of all, I am going to start with this formula, alpha plus beta this is called sum, and this is the product. And in this video I will show you all the important questions of this chapter. So if a question comes that find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between the zeros and coefficient, first of all we have to factorize this. So just do 4 into 1, it is 4, and take this middle term with the sign minus. So 4 comes as 2 into 2. You have to take the same number what you took as up and also the down. So here you are seeing a minus sign. So minus into minus is plus. So 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. But we have to put the minus sign. So 4s square minus 2s. Here s is the variable, and in many questions it can be x, y or any alphabet. So 4 and 2 is common in 2's table, so we will take 2 with the variable s. So when you do 2s into s, it becomes s square minus 1, because 2s into 1 is 2s. 2s into 2s is 4s square minus 1. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Here when you do minus 1 into 2s, we'll get minus 2s. Then minus and minus is plus, is equal to 0. Now make sure that when you factorize this, brackets are same. Zero plus 1 is 1. Now take this s variable here and it becomes 1 by 2. Here also we got both in this. When we mix 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1, we'll get 1 by 2. So you can show this step also. 0 plus 1, 2s is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 by 2. So they are saying that verify the zeros. So zeros are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. So here this is alpha and this is beta. Now we have to verify that verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. So here in this question, here in the question it is given that 4s square minus 4s plus 1. According to the formula, a is 4, then b is also 4, but it is minus 4. We have to take together with the sign, and c is 1. Now we have to verify. Alpha plus beta is, alpha we got as 1 by 2 plus beta also 1 by 2. It is, we will get 1, because here 1 plus 1 is 2, and keep this denominator same. So when we cut 2 and 2, we'll get 1. Alpha beta, here alpha into beta, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, we will get 1 by 4. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so minus b by a. Here b is minus 4, and this sign is also there, so first put this sign, then minus 4, and a is also 4. Minus and minus is plus, so 4 and 4 we will cut, so we will get 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. It is hence proved, because when we did alpha plus beta we got 1, and minus b by a also we got 1. Now we have to do alpha beta. Alpha beta is c by a, so c is 1 and a is 4, so alpha into beta 1 by 4, and when we did c by a we got 1 by 4. So at the last, when you get this same and this same, and when we do minus b by and when we do minus c by a same, then we can say it is hence verified. This is, I am showing you one important question which you can try, and if you want to know the answer, please comment and say it. Now I will show you other question on the same chapter polynomials, but on different topic. The given number as the sum and the product. So here two numbers are given, 0 and root 5. So here the sum is 0 and the product is root 5. So here there is another formula which we have to learn, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So this is a quadratic equation which we have to learn. X square minus, here alpha plus beta, sum means alpha plus beta and product means alpha beta. So here alpha plus beta is given as 0, and here product alpha beta is given as root 5. So we just have to apply it as the sum and product. So here we can write the answer as x square plus root 5, because the 0 term here, it has no value, so we can exclude the 0 term and we can just write it as x square plus root 5. So for the understanding, we can write like this. This is also important question for this chapter. It can come for 1 mark. The other important questions of this chapter is finding q of x and r of x. Q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. You will get the quotient over here and remainder at the last of the answer. So this is p of x, which is the dividend, and this is g of x, which is the remainder. Now this you have to take, and this, the first term of this both, dividend and divisor, x cube minus x square. So this we can cut. Here we will get x, because 3 minus 2 is 1. So no need to write 1, but we can understand that if we are writing x, that means it has the power 1. So you can write here x. Now when you divide, when you multiply x square into x, you will get x cube. So here you get x cube. Then x into 0x, it is 0. It is 0 x square because x into x is x square. So 0 x square minus 2 into x is minus 2x. So now this both has the power as plus. So no, yeah, it has the power as plus, so we have to change the sign and subtract. So it is minus, so we can cut this. Then this is plus because here it is plus, so we have to put here also plus. It is plus, so we have to take the minus sign. Here it is minus, so put the plus sign. This you will get minus and minus, it becomes plus, so we have to do addition. It is 3x square. Now this is plus, so 5 plus 2 is 7x. Bring the 3 down. Now same as we did this, do with this. Always you have to do with this one and the first. Now 3x square divided by x square. Now here x square we can cut, we'll get 3. So 3 into x square is, we will get 3, so we have to write 3 and with the minus sign because here it is minus. 3 into x square, it is 3 square minus 3 and plus 0x, you will get plus 0x, and 3 2s is 6, minus and minus is plus, so we will put plus, and 3 2s is 6. Same as how we did here, this 2 has a plus as the thing, so we'll put minus, and this will put minus, and this minus. So 7x, you will get here 9. Minus and minus is plus, and put the minus sign. So here this is the q of x and this is the r of x. So you can write here q of x is x minus 3 and r of x is 7x minus 9. Here we have to use this quadratic equation. So first of all we have to find what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, here alpha is given as 2 plus root 3 and beta as 2 minus root 3. So alpha 2 plus root 3 plus this is beta 2 minus root 3. Here plus root 3 and minus root 3 we will cut. 2 plus 2, it is, if two zeros of the polynomial, this is the polynomial given, are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, find other zeros. That means we have to find other zeros. We can get 2, 3 or even 1 0. So let's see. So for doing this, first of all, they had given us alpha and this is the beta. So we are taking this quadratic equation, apply alpha on this and beta is 2 minus root 3 on this. We can cut plus root 3 and minus root 3. We will get 2 plus 2 as 4. Then alpha beta, this is into. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So 2 into 2 is 4 and plus and minus is minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have the equation x square minus x plus 1, because alpha plus beta we got as 4, alpha beta we got as 1. Now this is the equation we got, and p of x is given as here. X 4 by x square, this 2 we will cut, we get 2 x square. Now x square into x square is x 4. Now this is minus 4x, x square into x is x cube, this plus 1 x square, this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. Okay, now we will bring plus 138x here. So now this and this, so minus 2x cube by x square, this will cut, will get 1, so minus 2x, minus 2x into x square, minus 2x square, and 2 4s are 8, minus and minus is plus, minus and minus is plus, 2 4s are 8, we'll get x square. Now we will do this and this, minus 2x into 1 is 2x, but we will put minus because plus into minus is minus. This 2 is minus, so change the sign and add. We'll cut this here, we'll get 35x square, minus 35x square. Then 140x minus 35. Now minus 35x square by x square, x square we can cut, we'll get minus 35. Minus 35x square we will get, because minus 35 into x square, minus 35x square, then 35 into 4 we will get 140x, minus into minus plus, then minus into plus, minus 35, change the sign and add. So at the last we have to get 0. If you are not getting 0, that means either you got here wrong or you did here wrong. Now we got this x square minus 2x minus 35. Now again we have to factorize it to get the 0. As here I showed you, we have to factorize, so here we got 0. So here also we will factorize so that we get 0. Multiply this, we'll get minus 35, and here minus 2. Now 7 5s are 35, so here we'll put minus because greater number sign comes here. Now 1x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35, x into x square minus 7 plus 5 and 35 is common in 5's table, so x, make sure that here this and this you get the same, so you got here x. Now 5 7s are 35. Now take this out, this 2 terms out, and equate it with 0. When you equate x minus 7 with 0, x is equal to 0 plus 7, you will get 7. Now equate x plus 5 is equal to 0, you will get 0 plus 5, we will get 0 plus 5 is 5. Now this is the one 0 and this is the second 0. So we have to write, therefore zeros are include even 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. They had given us 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. You can include the zeros which they had given in the question also, and even the zeros which you got now, that is 7 and here you will get minus 5, because when we change when we bring 5 here, the sign changes. Here we got plus 7 because here it was minus. When we bring 7 here, it will become plus. So 7 and minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. How did you feel about this video? And if you have any confusion, you can say me in the comments. And important question which you can try from this chapter is this. You can note it down. It is an important question and it can come for 4 marks. Thank you.